Ants, despite their small size, possess sophisticated communication systems that enable them to coordinate activities, share information, and maintain complex social structures. The study of how ants communicate is a fascinating field that reveals the intricate behaviors and adaptations these insects have developed to thrive in diverse environments. Ant communication primarily occurs through chemical signals known as pheromones, but it also includes tactile, auditory, and visual signals. Pheromones are the cornerstone of ant communication. These chemical signals are secreted by ants and detected by their highly sensitive antennae. Each pheromone conveys specific information, and ants can release different types of pheromones depending on the message they need to send. One of the most common uses of pheromones in ants is to create trails that lead other colony members to food sources. When a foraging ant finds food, it returns to the nest while laying down a pheromone trail. This trail serves as a chemical guide for other ants, leading them directly to the food source. The strength of the trail can indicate the abundance or quality of the food, with a stronger pheromone concentration signaling a richer resource. Over time, if the food source is depleted or the trail is disrupted, the pheromone scent fades, and ants cease following it. Ants also use pheromones to signal danger. When an ant is threatened or injured, it releases alarm pheromones that alert nearby ants to the presence of a threat. These pheromones can cause other ants to exhibit aggressive behaviors or flee the area, depending on the nature of the threat. The release of alarm pheromones can mobilize the colony's defense mechanisms, rallying workers to confront intruders or predators. Ants can recognize members of their own colony through recognition pheromones. These chemical cues are unique to each colony and are produced by the queen and distributed among the workers. When ants encounter each other, they use their antennae to detect these pheromones, ensuring that they only cooperate with colony members. This system helps maintain colony integrity and prevents intrusions by ants from rival colonies. In addition to chemical signals, ants use tactile communication to convey information. This involves physical contact between ants, typically through their antennae or other body parts. Antennation, where ants tap each other with their antennae, is a common form of tactile communication. Through antennation, ants can assess each other's roles, health, and readiness to perform certain tasks. Trophallaxis, the mutual exchange of regurgitated liquids, is another form of tactile communication. This behavior not only allows the transfer of nutrients but also facilitates the exchange of chemical signals and pheromones. Trophallaxis helps distribute food and information about the colony's needs and resources. By sharing food, ants can ensure that vital chemical messages reach all members, promoting unity and coordination within the colony. While less prominent than chemical and tactile communication, auditory signals play a role in ant communication. Some ants produce sounds by stridulation, a process where they rub body parts together to create vibrations. These sounds can serve various purposes, such as signaling distress or coordinating group activities. For example, leafcutter ants produce stridulation sounds when cutting leaves, which may help synchronize their efforts or communicate the quality of the leaves being harvested. Although ants are not known for their reliance on visual signals, some species use visual cues to communicate. This is more common in ants that forage during the day or live in environments where visual signals are effective. For instance, certain species of desert ants use visual landmarks to navigate and communicate directions to other foragers. Additionally, ants with distinctive body markings or coloration may use these features to identify each other or signal specific behaviors. Ant communication is context-dependent, with different signals being used in various situations. Understanding these contexts provides insight into the complexity and adaptability of ant communication systems. Ant communication is a multifaceted and dynamic system that underscores the complexity of these social insects. Through the use of pheromones, ants can convey detailed information about resources, threats, and colony organization. Supplementary methods, including tactile, auditory, and visual signals, enhance the robustness and adaptability of their communication. The study of ant communication not only reveals the intricacies of their social behavior but also offers insights into the evolution of communication in the animal kingdom. By understanding how ants talk to each other, we gain a deeper appreciation for the sophisticated mechanisms that underpin their collective success and resilience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.